This is a 2021 GMC Denali 2500 HD. It sits on a 3.5-inch Wicked suspension premium leveling system with the Fox Reservoir upgrade, billet logo emblems, 35-inch tires, and 22 by 12-inch American Force wheels. This truck also was equipped with Solistic shackles and rear Fox Reservoir 2.0 shocks that are also an add-on on wickedtrucks.com. These are concave. These wheels do require some trimming that is necessary with our extreme cut lower mounting mud flap or lower caps, which will be released here in the next month or so. This truck will be our test dummy for that. Bumper spacer is required as well. 2021 GMC 2500 HD, 3.5-inch premium leveling system, 1.5-inch rear block and U-bolt kit, Fox Reservoir shocks front and rear with the Elite logo emblem, 35-inch Nitto Tires grapplers, and 22 by 12 American Force concave wheels. Visit wickedtrucks.com for all your GMC needs.